Hey, it's Casey from Bass Life XXL. Back at you again. Coming in with the FU Audio fu-300. And I've already took a sneak peek in there, but I'm still going to unbox it with you all. Go ahead and give you all a little look-see. It's actually a really good looking sub. You see it in real life. I haven't had it picked up out of here yet. Come check that out close up. I'm not going to see that real well. Nice pole vent. Nice 8-gauge push terminals. That one's a little bit sticky on me. Yep, that was a little sticky on us, but we'll fix that up. Anyway, as you all look at that sub, I'm going to tell you all a little bit about it. Actually, I'm going to tell you all a lot about it. Alright, the subwoofer is, this is a 10-inch stamped aluminum basket. Comes in at 28 pounds, dual 4, 300 watts RMS. It has a 2.5 black anodized coil bobbin with through hole venting. Has a 4-layer parallel wound copper coil, a craft pulp cone reinforced with Kevlar, 129 yarn strand, extra heavy duty dome dust cap reinforced with a secondary cap, dual Nomex linear spiders, heavy duty tinsel leads, 8-gauge spring terminals, so that those will take 8-gauge. FVA optimized motor with inner and outer venting, double stacked high strength Y35 ferrites with a combined pulling force of 35.8 pounds. Has a protected rubber motor covering, a rubber gasket for a perfect seal. The FS is 33.28, X-Max is 13 millimeters one way. Now, I'm going to hook this up and play it for you all. We're just going to do a little free air here, but excuse me. Then we got the CT Sounds Bio coming. This speaker right here came in at $69.99, I believe, and the Bio is on sale right now, or whenever at the making of this video it was on sale. I got it for $54.99, but I think it's normally $64.99, so it's a fair comparison. We're gonna have it hooked to the SMD AMM1 to make sure that it does its rated power. Make sure it does its RMS power that it's supposed to do. And then we have a 10-inch box, but we're gonna wait until the CT Sound sub gets here. That way we can play them side by side and do it all at the same time. And we're gonna do it in categories. The categories are gonna be the build quality on the two, how they handle their RMS power, the excursion, loudness, how good the sound quality is, and overall looks. Oh, and the price. Overall looks and the price of the sub. For overall looks, I'm really digging this FU Audio. It's not too bad at all. Should be wired. 2 ohms right here. Man, I'm already about Switching up the voice coil. Smash that box down in there. I was gonna put it in the, screw it in this box I had for the 10 inch. I was gonna screw it in there, free air it like that, but we'll just get a little boom going like this. A little boom boom. A little boom boom. A little boom boom. Son of a bitch. You step on that tip right there. We're testing the RMS out already. Whoa. And some. Let's see here. Let me get carburetors real quick just to turn down the gain on this thing. I don't know if that did it or not, but either which way, here we go.
You have to get on the phone.
Yeah, you'll have to go over here.
I mean, I have
You have
to
to
open
go over
it.
there. Right where? Be careful with it.
Trade me.
She's got to undo her phone. There's the old Toro. Let's see here. Doing it on dyno, but I want to do real time power. That's up to 573 watts, 300 damn, 900 something. I'm going to do a test tone here. This is bouncing around way too hard.
Putting out some air.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
We're going to test it right there. Play for a minute. Here's 1 to 100 hertz. Each time will last 4 seconds and then go up 5 hertz. 1 hertz, 5 hertz, 10 hertz, 15, 20, 25, let's just do this 40 again. We'll check it out from the back too. That's me moving around a little too much. See how the heat of this thing is. It's a little warm. Nothing too crazy. I try to hold still so it'll stay at 300 whenever I'm jerking around and it's pulling on it. It's going up to like 500 something people. It is hot out here today, people. I'm going to take a picture this time while we got the excursion going. Gotta take a picture, right? Whoa, be careful, Casey. Be careful, Casey. Tell me, viewers. Be careful, damn it.
Will it just switch from there?
No, push that button when it's showing like a good, you can really see it flexing good.
The red?
When you see it, no, the circle. When you see it flexing, that'll be a picture. Here, I'll put it straight up and down.
This isn't showing. That's showing X.
Okay, you don't hit the square.
Okay, I'm not going to hit the square.
All right. right here. Yeah. Let me see. 20 hertz flex. What do you say? Y'all want to see a 20 hertz flex? I do. And we can get out of this heat. Wait for this CT sound sub so we can get them both in the box and playing next to each other. Even throw them in the truck if you got the truck here. Finally finished. Come all the way back here where I was sitting at, like right here. Get a picture of that. You have to bend down. It's not, the camera's barely going, it's going so hard. Try my brother where you are. Not me out from the side where you are. Straight onto it.
Straight on. It shows better from the side.
Alright, that was the end of the song. Alright, that's good. Y'all make sure you hit a like, subscribe. Tell me what y'all thought about the FU audio sub. We'll play some more music on stuff when it's a little bit cooler out. Make sure and share this with your bass head buddies. Trying to grow the channel. Got some more stuff coming. I'm going to show how much I'm going to dyno the Wolfram 125.4 real-time dyno. I put a real-time dyno of that. And then we'll real-time dyno the Wolfram W7500 too, to hell with it. Anyway, make sure, like I said, you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, get back to me with a comment. Let me know what y'all thought, what y'all want to see. But until then, Casey with Bass Like XXL. You know what it is. I'm out.